everybody, this is Megan from Beans. I am here to talk to you about our 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. It is an SLT. It is beautiful. This was meticulously maintained. It is a one owner lease return. It comes with a beautiful 18-inch wheel. Comes with the assist steps and the tonneau cover. So it comes with the leather seats. That's included in the SLT package. It is a crew cab, as you can see, so there's so much space back here. All weather floor liners to make it easier to clean up after the kids. Power windows and extra space for hiding if you need to use a little cup holder. You've got the extra space here. This thing is gorgeous. Alright, let's talk a little bit about the interior of this vehicle. It comes with power and heated seats on both sides. It's got the mirrors, they are power folding, integrated trailer brake control, memory seats on our side, dual climate control. It's got the power pedals, which I think is super neat as I've never seen it before. Navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and OnStar connectivity. It also comes with a CD player. When was the last time you saw a CD player? Come check us out. It's got just over 41,000 kilometers. The sale price is $46,888. Give us a call at 613-257-2432 to book your test drive or look us up online.